Okay, so this is the steering wheel, the original steering wheel. Last time seeing it. So first thing we're going to do is open the hood. We have to take these three panels out and then open the battery and leave it there for at least 10 minutes. Okay, so with the panel here, you just pull it straight out. See that? That's one. So on this side, same thing, let's pull it out. And then this whole panel, you just lift it up. And it comes out like that. Loosen the negative terminal. That should be it. Like that. A little bit more. There we are. There. And then you know to put it somewhere so that it doesn't go back and connect while you're doing it. So I'm going to slide it in the middle here for a little bit. Notice here that the struts here are open by design, and I had water in there when washing the cars, and if you zoom in here you're going to see that there are some rust already, so I've already bought the covers for it. So that's my next video where I'm just going to install the covers. So it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to open the door with this handle down here. Okay, so we're going to take this panel out so that we can open up the 10mm screw in here. There we are. So try from here. There we are. There. Alright, here we are. Okay, so you see these orange tabs right here? You basically lift them up with 2 mini screwdriver and it should come out. One down, one to go. I'm gonna use a pick instead because it's this one's getting in the way. Oops, there. So 2 down. Now we have to take this one out and then that. So I put a piece of towel here so that it doesn't scratch the leather. You basically get a pick, pull this up, and just pull it out like that. That's all it is. See that little thing right there? All right. Airbag's out. Save this. Now we just have to do this. You just have to pull this red thing out and then push on this tab right here and the whole thing should comes out. And then we push that yellow tab down there and it all should all come out. Little stuck here. That's it. Push it this way. The hard part is this. We need a T50 and I've seen video. Okay, so we're using a T50 torque bit and I'm gonna have my wife hold on to the steering wheel and I'm gonna try to break it open here. Oh my God. Oh, there it came off. I'm going to use an impact wrench, just loosen it real quick. There we are. That took seconds.
I know.
Once it's out, screw back in a little bit, a couple turns to pull the steering wheel out.
Oh my god.
That's out.
Did you break something? That doesn't sound good.
There we are. So that's it. Let's put the new steering wheel in, honey.
Okay.
So this is the new steering wheel here. It is supposed to be a replica of the Z06. Carbon fiber up here, down here, on the shifters, as well as on the moldings here. And I chose Alcantara with blue stitching. Right, we have the new steering wheel here. Step 1, we just do it in reverse order. Put it back in here. There. And then I'm going to put some blue thread lock on here. Oops, not too much. I think I'm just going to take them off. There we go. And put it back in. I'm going to torque this only to 33 pounds, which is not a lot. There we are. Okay, so I want to mark it so that it matches with the original mark here to know that that is straight. These clips were not on from Paragon, so I had to connect them. So remember, if you buy them from Paragon, connect them together, okay? Now, let's put these back in. So let's say reverse order. This was next. Click it in. And that's it. Push this back in. And then this. Let's put this clip back on. I remember it was like this. And then 2 more. Matching colors. Pink over here and purple on here. Let's do the purple first. And then pink. Done. Put this in, put the screws back in, connect the battery, and we should be done. Okay, so everything's in. I just have to reconnect the battery and hope it works. It looks incredible.